Good day everyone and welcome to 888 HYE question and answer session. This is Sari Braga, Product Manager of ITC. And kasama po natin si Sir Jay Maneha, our Product Officer. For today's question is an important one para po sa mga installer and system integrator out there. So for the question, Sir Jay.
Bago ako magtanong, sir, gusto ko sana ayayahin si Sir Bert for our question.
Oh.
Hi, Sir Bert. This is our question for today, sir. For example, sir, I am a system installer or integrator. What can I do to effectively offer these integration solutions to end user?
Okay, actually, ini-English mo ko eh. Tatagalogin ko sa... Anyway, okay. If you are a system installer or system integrators, HYE, 888 HYE Enterprises Corporation offers a variety of support, services, solutions, and brands for you. Example, we do group trainings, face-to-face, online Zoom. Another thing, no? If you want in-depth sessions with us, we can also train you on an exclusive face-to-face, no, with our different brands led by, of course, ITC. We also have Hikvision, Honeywell. We have CK Teco, I.Timex Access Control Biometrics, Yeastar, IPPBX, Fanbill, IP Phones, K-Star, UPS, Ray Networks, especially the latest, no, from Ray, the E-Lighten Optical Solutions, no? At pati solar po, Hope Wind, Grow Watt, we can do that for you, no? As system integrators, marami po kami pwedeng maitulong sa inyo and makapagbibigay pa ho kami ng tip, advices, sales strategies, sales techniques para maibigay nyo sa inyong mga end users. Yun po, ang mga nagagawa ng 888 HYE Enterprises Corporation. Kakaiba ho na national distributor ang HYE. Kaya po, sa January 2014 po, ipapakita na namin, no, si ITC. Special Showcase and BOM Value Deals, naiiba rin ho ito. Sana ho, umattend kayo at supportahan ho natin ito. And this is Bert Joseph from 888 HYE Enterprises Corporation. Tandaan po, yung mga binanggit kong brands, serbisyo from, again, 888 HYE Enterprises Corporation. Salamat po!